Alright, so if you're installing a GFB Deceptor Pro 2, you can feed the in-cabin adjustment wire through that little hole in the firewall. Alright, so from the cabin side you can see that hole right there, and that's where you gotta feed your wire through. Okay. And you may need to cut the grommet here that goes through so you can actually fit the wire through and make sure your firewall is sealed. Alright, this is it with the grommet back in. Nice and seamless OEM. And yeah, you can see the wires coming through just nice. Alright guys, so basically you see this IG1 25 amp fuse there. That's what you want to tap into, because that's going to be the ignition switch. So you want to get one of these like add a circuit fuse tabs here and basically wire up the blow-off valve positive lead into it. And you can use just like a 5 amp fuse in there, but make sure you take out the 25 amp one and connect it to the bottom side so that, you know, it maintains the 25 amps. And then you also want to connect the black wire to ground. I just used that bolt up there, and I guess you can see, I just kind of like put it underneath. So yeah, that's basically all you need. And then once you're all done, you can just, ooh, no, that's not good. Just stick this right here or wherever you want, and life will be golden. Basically, when you turn on the car, you can push this in, adjust it to whatever position you want, and hear the whooshing. Yeah, so when you push this and you go all the way anti-clockwise, that's full recirc. So you got recirculation, which is normal operation. Push again, go all the way clockwise, you get your full atmosphere. There you go.